old box provides hours of fun, doesn't it, guys, hey? Isn't this just the cutest little face you've ever seen? Look at that. Look at that little face. Zoe, look at the camera. Look at it. She's so tiny and cute.
Off to the vet today.
Yeah, I was just about to say, where are we going, Simon?
Off to the vet, aren't we?
And what for?
Oh, you get to check about your ear mites today. I think they're all okay, but the vet wants to check.
What's going on? Hey? We're just on the way to Bangkok to pick up Mike's girlfriend, Caitlin. We just stopped. This is about halfway from Hua Hin to Bangkok. It's got a petrol station and some other little shops, a 7-Eleven. Mike's got his eye on Macca's, so we're off to Macca's.
Let's go.
So this is the hotel we normally stay at that's close to the airport. It's called the Grand BS Hotel. Not sure what BS stands for, but it's not what you think. So we asked them, they gave us a double bed, so we asked them for twin beds. So this is what we've got. I don't know why we bothered. And we have the pool straight outside the window. So normally we never stay on the ground floor. I don't know why we've got the ground floor, but we'll see how noisy it is. And this is the bathroom. It's got a shower, toilet, sink, and in here we have toothbrush, shower caps, etc. It's not bad. We paid $65 a night for it. Only 2 pillows. I don't know why hotels give you 1 pillow. Like, whoever sleeps with 1 pillow? I don't. And there's also a few mosquitoes here, so probably have to put some rid on. TV, mini bar with the 2 bottles of water, tea, coffee.
We're heading back towards Hua Hin now, heading in a southerly direction. Now, whenever we travel between Hua Hin and Bangkok, we generally take a transport service. You can drive yourself, and we've got our own car, but we generally don't worry about it because it's quite a challenge driving in Bangkok. It's like anything; you get okay if you do it enough and you learn. But we find it just easy to take a transport service. But there's buses and trains and many ways to get between the 2 cities.
Just stopped at the Jiffy petrol station, or PTT. I've never been to a Jiffy petrol station before. Hi, Caitlin. They have everything here in a PTT. Better not get in trouble filming. Need of a cold drink. There we go. Yeah, I've never seen them before. Just grabbing a few of these chicken curry puffs. You don't often see them, but they're so good. I don't think it lasted 5 minutes.
Well, as you can see by the fact I've got this in my hand, the last effort with this, with the white double-sided tape, was a complete and utter failure. A complete failure. So I'm going to try it one more time. I'm not going to film it because you know what I'm going to do. Put some more tape and I'm going to mount it up here on this cabinet here and see if that's going to be any better, because I feel that this is very shiny. Maybe just can't grip properly on that, even, and it's being cleaned. But if you've got any ideas what I'm doing wrong, you can let me know in the comments. But I can't film any more about this damn power pack going up here, because I'll be in the Bangkok hospital in the psychiatric ward if we keep on going. So this is the last one, I promise.
Oh, okay, so we're just off to Blueport this morning, but I just wanted to tell you about our little experience at Bangkok Savanapoon. God, I hope I've got that pronounced right. Yesterday, when we picked up Caitlin, and Caitlin's in the back today. Hi, Caitlin. We went to the taxi area to get a taxi back to the hotel, and there was a security guard there, and we went in the short distance one, and the security guard said, "Oh, where are you going?" And we told him, and he pressed the buttons for us, because you press the buttons and you get a ticket with the lane number of the taxi driver. So he called a taxi driver from over the back, and he said, "Oh, here's your driver," and he gave us the ticket, and the driver took us past where all the taxi numbers were, and across to where he was parked and a few others. And he did say to me, "Oh, it'll be around about 170 baht." And I said, "Oh, that's okay," because Mike and I had earlier caught an Uber from the hotel to the airport, which cost us 220. So I thought, well, 170 baht, that's probably approximately what it'll be on the meter. So we get in the taxi, and there's absolutely no meter in there. It had been removed from the top of the dash. So I don't know what's going on there, because it obviously wasn't a taxi meter. Of course it was painted like a taxi meter, but where the meter was, it was not in use. So I don't know whether it's some other scam at the airport now. I just don't know. If anyone's had that experience, let us know, because it's always a nightmare, it seems, getting someone from that airport that will use their meter, and now we just don't even have a meter in the taxi at all. Strange.
Yeah, strange, and technically that's completely illegal as far as we know for that, but look, it really is a nightmare at that airport if you need to get a taxi. I don't know what advice we can give you, because you know, we've been here for over 2 years and been to Savanapoon Airport multiple times, and you know, we still got caught. Like, nothing bad happened, and we paid the proper fare.
Yeah.
We paid the proper fare. We didn't get ripped off or anything. But you know, I guess there's things like no insurance if there's an accident or something like that, if you get into one of those. And then for the security guy down in the taxi area to be involved as well, oh well, you know, it's really not what you're looking for.
Yeah, I don't know what to do. He sort of just pushed in and said, and pressed the button, and the ticket came out. We were given the ticket, which I think I've still got at home, but I do notice it doesn't have a number on it. So I just don't know what they're going on about. I honestly don't.
Because the last time we were there, when the ticket came out, it had the lane number for the taxi, and I think it also had the taxi number. I'm just not sure about that, but it certainly had the lane number.
It's got their photo on it, like you can't really see the photo, but it's got the photo of the driver. And I presume the taxi number. I'll have to check that because...
Yeah, probably got the taxi number, yeah.
Yeah.
So, it's... Oh, man, it's a nightmare.
Oh, dear. So I've just mixed up these orange and poppy seed muffins. I haven't made them from scratch. It's actually from a packet mix my friend sent to me from Australia. It was a cake mix, but I've made them into muffins. They don't look half bad, actually. I'll just ice them and then they'll be ready. Okay, Chris, give them a try and tell me what you think.
All right, let's have a look. Oh, gee, they look good. Smell good.
I think they're a bit dry.
Oh, no, they're very good. They're okay. They're fine. Interesting flavour, the orange.
And poppy seed, yeah.
And poppy seed, yeah, very good.
What have you bought now, Chris?
Well, I've just bought myself a couple of three-way meters for the pot plants. Now, the three-way is one can tell you the moisture level, one is the light and the pH, all what you need, everything you need to know about plants, you see, because I don't know nothing about plants and pot plants and growing and gardening and things, completely hopeless. But David recommended these to me as a bit of a help, and I think anything's a good help for me. So far, they haven't really done too much, but we know that we're keeping the water up to the plants. So that's the latest thing. They're only 50 baht each, I think. So roughly $2 each. So I thought, well, I can try them. I did buy 5. 3 of them are in plants, and I've just got to place the other 2.
Very good. Okay.
Now, I just wanted to show you some of these lovely orchids. At least we think they're orchids. We're not plant people. Are you sure they're orchids? I don't. These are, but I don't think these ones over here that we'll show you in a minute.
Okay. I don't know.
I don't really know, but anyway, they're lovely. They're lovely, and they've just all kind of come out now. There's some up here too. I don't know if you can get a shot of that, Linda. Some there.
They look like an orchid, but yeah. I don't think this is. I think this is, oh, that's part of the tree.
Oh, that's part of the tree, yeah.
Yeah, something happened to that one.
Yeah. Anyway, we're trying to do what we can to make them grow. We've even retained a gardener here. We've even retained a gardener to try and help us, but it doesn't seem to be going so good at the moment. And here's another one that seems to be growing all right. It's been repotted, that one. And over here, now this is a lovely specimen, isn't it? They just kind of grow wild. Imagine how much you'd have to pay in Australia for a plant like that. It'd be $200.
Probably, yeah. And here's another one of these bamboo. I think that one might need a bit of water.
Yeah, you probably need some watering there. I might do that.
Went to pick up the hose and look, he's in the garden. Hi, Zozo. Hey! There's Chris's water meter doing its job. I think it's in the red. I think it needs
some water, does it?
Some water, yep.